2013 ZL1 doing the interior lighting. Well, anyway, that breaker's always hot. Obviously that's good for when you're using the controls. You can just turn it on when you want, even when the doors are closed. So I guess the other part of the process is to run it to the dome light, which I just found that the easiest way, I guess. But ran it through here. I just slipped it behind. Basically, you can pull this away a little bit, and ran it up under here, and then I brought the wire all the way across and just kind of tucked it up there, and then I ran it, basically put it through the same part of the loom where everything else is coming through here. If you can see, basically that wire's running through there. So once you get it through, you can see basically pull it through the front and just tie the leads together and push it through. God, it's horrible. And then I just forced it through here. Then what I did, make sure you solder it to the lamp. That's what I did. I just found that the easiest way. I'm like, whatever, it's gonna work, I guess. Anyway, it does. When I already checked it out, but when I closed the door after a while, the light came off. And just soldered on there, just make sure it's good. I found the positive was actually towards the forward side of this panel. So now, what's cool is that turns white with the dome light, and then when I start the car and run it, I can just switch whatever color I want and have it preset. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna stick this all back up. Make sure you, when you pull this panel, that there's two screws that tie this panel in. So you're going to pull the lens, you're going to pull the lamp itself. There's a switch that was in there. Basically pull it all out. So now just go reverse order, put the panel up, screws in, and so forth. Alright, bye.